Hey, my name is Robbie Jeffcoat, and I'm with BadgePass, and today we're going to be looking at how to clean your Connect card printer. So what we'll be focusing on today is doing the regular cleaning cycle. The regular cleaning cycle for the Connect card printer is recommended to run every 1,000 card prints. Every 5,000 card prints, you want to do an advanced cleaning card cycle. We'll do a separate video of that at another time, but today we'll be focusing just on the regular cleaning card cycle. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to actually start with the LCD screen. So if you have an LCD screen on your Connect, you are going to go ahead on the main menu and press the gear icon. So it's going to be the second button on the right. Press that, and then from here it's going to bring you to your menu. You're going to press the top left-hand button. It's got a little hand with a little wipe on it, so let's click that. Now what's cool about this is it's going to actually walk you through the process. So we're going to start here left to right. So step one, it says to remove the cards from your hopper. So let's go ahead and remove that and close it. You'll notice whenever you successfully do it, it's going to give you a green check mark on the LCD screen. Second, it says to remove the ribbon. So what we're going to press down, and we're going to actually go ahead and remove the ribbon. So make sure it's removed, and then close the top of the card printer. Third, you're going to want to open up the input hopper one more time, and you're going to make sure this card size gauge is moved all the way to the right. So you want to move it to max settings. So we're going to move it all the way over here. Since the Connect can't tell, it doesn't have a sensor that you've moved it, you need to tap the screen when you've actually done it. Now once you've done this, it's going to give you the two cleaning card cycle buttons that are up here. The one on the left is the regular cleaning card cycle, the one on the right is the advanced cleaning. So we're going to do regular today. So in your cleaning card pack, you should have received two items. One, this is the sticky card that's going to be used for the cleaning card, and this is an alcohol swab that's going to be used to clean the print head. We'll do this in just a second. So first step, we're going to take the card, we're going to peel off the top of it with the sticky side facing up. We're going to open the input hopper, put the sticky side facing up into it, and then you want to press the left button. What this is going to do is this is going to start the cleaning cycle. So you're going to hear the wheels turn, and it's going to take the card in. What this is going to do is it's going to clean the rollers, it's going to clean the print head, and then once it's complete, it's going to pop out. And now you've successfully cleaned your rollers and your print head in the cycle. So the next thing is it's going to direct you to take your alcohol swab. So this alcohol swab is also included in your cleaning card kit. So what we're going to do is we're going to open the top, and you're going to clean the print head. So the print head is this device up here. It is the part that protrudes down. So you want to take your alcohol swab, you want to pinch in the middle. So what that's going to do is allow the alcohol to reach the tip. And you're going to want to go ahead and slowly wipe it. Okay, once that's done, we can then close the top of the printer. And you have now successfully cleaned your Connect card printer.